What does a real aircon service actually look like? Not the 10-minute tick and flick type of job. The proper job. Come along with me and have a look. G'day, I'm Ben from Jay's Air in Sydney. My dad started this business in 91, and 30 odd years on, we're still turning up to houses just like this one, and doing it the good old fashioned way. First stop's the outdoor unit. We're going to check the coils, check the refrigerant, and check all the electricals. Then we go up through the manhole, put my torch on, into the roof space. That's where the indoor unit lives. And that's where most problems start. A dodgy duct connection, a dusty filter, a bit of water where it shouldn't be. Whatever we find, we'll sort it out. We run digital gauges across the system. High side, low side, superheat, subcooling. Numbers tell us if the refrigerant charge isn't right and if the compressor's doing its job. No guessing, no she'll be right. You get a written report emailed before we even leave. You see, most people only ring us when the aircon's already packed it in. The whole point of a service is we catch the small stuff before it turns into a big bill in January. That's when you actually need the thing running. A few $100 now beats a few grand in the middle of a heat wave. If your system hasn't been looked at for a couple of years, give us a bell. Jay's Air, 02 9820 4500, or go to jaysairconditioning.com.au. Give us your problem and we're going to show you the solution.